Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the incoming data matches the existing pivot source. Same column headers, consistent data types, and no merged cells. Once confirmed, convert the range into a formal table or define a named range so additions extend automatically. Make a quick backup file before changing anything. That protects you from mistakes. Then add the new rows to the table. When done, save the workbook. Make sure the table expanded to include the new entries so the pivot can see them. Now refresh the pivot to pull the new rows into the cache. Right-click the pivot and pick Refresh or Hit Data, Refresh All. If columns were added or renamed, open the pivot field list and drag new fields into rows, columns, values, or filters. You may need to change aggregation types, sum, count, average, to reflect the new data. Once adjusted, review slicers and filters because they can silently exclude new items. Finally, update any calculated fields so formulas account for the latest values. Finish by validating totals and spot-checking recent records. Compare a few raw rows to pivot outputs. If counts or sums are off, refresh again and inspect the pivot cache or clear it. If the table failed to expand, change the pivot source to the correct table or named range, or rebuild the pivot quickly. For stubborn errors, clear filters, check for hidden rows, and correct data types. One tip: if values still look wrong, recreate the pivot, often faster than chasing a corrupted cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.